You are not riding a bike in this weather. You are riding a bike in this weather. There's actually a weather statement out there and a travel advisory. That's how bad it is. And you're gonna ride your bike on the sidewalk, and it's -5 without the wind chill. With the wind chill, it's -15. And you're gonna ride, it's bad enough driving in an all-wheel drive car with snow tires on. And you're gonna be out there riding in a bike. And the stupidest part of the whole thing is I'm gonna put this video up there, and you're gonna get these idiots out there that defend the cyclists for being out in this weather. So let's just put it this way. Your average vehicle has 4 tires that are making contact with the road no bigger than the palm of your hand, a 3 to a 4-inch circle. If everything is done correctly, tires inflated properly, good tires, etc., etc., you get 4 contact patches that big. How much do you think the contact patch was on that bike? Now, he had the fat tires, don't get me wrong. There's my ABS locking up, by the way. You know, he had the fat tires on there, so a normal bike would be what, like a nickel? A quarter maybe? So he's got the fat tires. What do you think he's got? A loony? A toonie? And we all know those are off-road tires. Those are not anything that should be on this kind of road right now. And I mean that in the sense that the lugs on that tire are so big that you're not even getting that contact patch at one time. So you're probably getting the contact patch of a dime at any given point. Right? This guy's just gonna run the red light. 0 F's given today. But you need to be more sensible on when you get your exercise. You need to get around, that's fair. You walk, you take a cab, you take a bus. Because what is your life worth? Obviously, at this point, you're saying your life is worth nothing. Tesla was just going to keep rolling. Look at the conditions. Yeah, let's go ride our bike.